Toma 3.
Bueno, estem gravant ja.
Pues tinc que dir que m'ho passi de puta mare.
T'ha rotllat un poc.
És que què dic? Bueno, no, fora de bromes, la veritat és que m'ho passi molt bé. Quan la vaig veure me vaig emocionar molt. Les hores me passaren volant i la veritat és que va estar prou bé. Molt bé.
And now the end is near, and so I face, thank you, the final curtain.
Els Camí de Salvador m'agraden molt. I entonces quan vaig veure que entraven en les dolçaines i estava lleig, me va encantar.
And state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, traveled each and every highway, but more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again too few to mention. 'Cause I did what I had to do, and I saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, but more than this, I did it my way. There were times, and I'm sure you all knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved and I've laughed and cried.
Quan els donaren els rams a les mares, que hasta els pares s'emocionaren, ploraren i tots els dos, tant el meu pare com el de Borja.
I find it amusing.
Va ser molt emotiu, jo crec que tots ho passarem molt bé, que tots disfrutarem molt, tots ballarem molt.
And may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things that he truly